we got today, class? Now, just pick yourself a nice... You look great! I hope you're ready for a pop quiz. It's Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? I'm Claudia, one of your two hosts for the show. Let me tell you how this game works. We're going to ask you 11 questions in increasing difficulty. But you'll get to pick the subject every time. You'll have a classmate to help you out, and 3 cheats you can use during the game. You can either copy your classmate's answer, see how the whole class would answer the question, or just discard this question and get a new question entirely. No cheating allowed on that new question, though. You'll get points for each right answer, but just one wrong answer, and you're out. And for the last 6th grade question, you'll be on your own. No cheats, no classmate. Let's see if you can prove that you really are smarter than a 5th grader. Let's go. It's time for 1st grade. It's so nice to have you here. Every question here is worth 100 points.
Yay!
Yeah!
So, your classmate for the grade is... Halima!
Oh! Woo! I'm Halima, and I'm very good with health and life science facts.
Standard gamer. Pick a subject you're good at. It's either life science, math, reading, social studies. We'll split up for this fractions and percents question. Michael has a recipe that requires 24 mango halves. How many mangoes does he need to buy? 48.